हिंदुस्तान एक ऐसे दौर से गुजर रहा है जहां पर बहुत बड़े पैमाने पर यह महामारी फैली है और खास करके जो हमारे महानगर हैं वो इससे जूझ रहे हैं, न सिर्फ इस बीमारी से बल्कि इसके इलाज से, अस्पतालों से, तमाम सुविधाओं से। दवाओं की कमियां हैं, ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर्स की कमियां हैं। इन तमाम चीज़ों में एनडीटीवी की ये पहल है कि क्या आगे का रास्ता होना चाहिए। तो हम तमाम जानकारों से या उन लोगों से जो इस बीमारी से जूझ चुके हैं, जो इस बीमारी से लड़कर उभरे हैं, उनसे बातचीत करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
इनफैक्ट जो उभर रहे हैं भी, so far we've been bringing you political solutions, what can be done by politicians, by doctors, bureaucrats, everybody. But what about some simple solutions, perhaps what you and I can adopt on a daily basis? So we thought let's bring you a panel of survivors, a panel who have fought COVID in their own way and voices which can impact so many of us, especially the youth in the country. Very delighted to have Sarvesh Sashi joining us on the program. Now, for those of you who don't know him, he is the millionaire yogi. He is one who's got Bollywood, Hollywood sort of swinging, twisting, breathing to his tunes quite literally, and of late, he's been recovering from COVID as well. Sarvesh, my first question, how are you feeling? How's been the journey so far? Sarvesh, can I request you to unmute yourself, please? We can't hear you.
Oh, I'm sorry. Can you hear me now?
Yes, super.
Great. Firstly, thank you for having me. And yes, it's very important that youth starting to realize that the second wave is really hit quite hard. And I've been recovering quite well. I must say that the last 8 days, apart from the taste and smell, fortunately, because of my 22 years of yoga journey, it's been quite positive, I must say. I mean, life as such in positive, because my oxygen levels were 99 and 100 throughout. My temperature was 97.9. They say normal was 98.6, but I was 97.9 throughout the entire thing. But apart from taste and smell, I was working out, I was doing yoga, and I was doing 3 simple breathing exercises that we as Sarva have been telling everybody should do every day to kind of fight this.
Do tell our viewers also, please. Do tell.
Yes. So the 3 simple breathing exercises are, the first one in the exact same order as I say right now. The first one is Kapalabhati, which is a Kriya. Second one is Anulom Vilom, which is a Pranayam. And the third one is Bhastrika, again, which is a Pranayam. Take necessary precautions depending on your age, any past medical conditions that you have, etc., and then do it. But trust me, if this has been done, because I know people who are 2 years old who've tested positive. I know people who've taken 2 shots of vaccines and tested positive. It's for real. And yoga, workouts, etc. doesn't mean that you won't get it. It means that you can fight it faster.
Very important to highlight that.
Be smiling like me.
जी सर्वेश, बहुत शुक्रिया आपका। आपने बताया कि क्या चीज़ें करनी चाहिए और साथ साथ जो एक बड़ी बात है इस दौरान में, क्योंकि इस तरह की पैनिक का भी दौर है आम लोगों के लिए। आप सोचिए उन लोगों की हालत जो बीमार हैं, जिनके घर में कोविड पॉजिटिव पेशेंट्स हैं और जिनके पास अस्पताल के अलावा कोई रास्ता नहीं होता, पर अस्पतालों में बेड नहीं है, दवाएं नहीं हैं, तो उनकी मानसिक स्थिति भी बहुत ज़्यादा बुरी होती है और बहुत परेशानियों से लोग जूझ रहे हैं। तो योग के आपके पास तो 22 साल की ट्रेनिंग है, पर अभी बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे होंगे जिन्होंने नहीं किया वो, पर अब लोग सचेत हैं अपनी इम्यूनिटी को लेकर। उनको भी आप क्या संदेश देंगे? एक तो पॉजिटिविटी, किस तरह से इससे जूझना है पूरे परिवार को?
तो मैं एक छोटी सी लाइन बोलना चाहता हूँ कि मेरे गुरुजी हमेशा बोलते थे कि जब तक सांस है जब तक वरी मत करो। तो फर्स्ट चीज ये है कि आपको सांस को बढ़ाना, मतलब ये 3 प्राणायाम मैं अभी बताया है, वो जो है कपालभाति, अनुलोम विलोम और भस्त्रिका, कोई भी कर सकते हैं। 6 साल से लेके 100 साल तक कोई भी कर सकते हैं, घर में बैठे बैठे कर सकते हैं। और आपको सिर्फ एक 3 फीट का 6 फीट का जगह चाहिए, आपके बेड के ऊपर भी कर सकते हैं। ये फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ फॉलोइंग एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट इट इज, जो हमारा सर्वा का प्रोग्राम है, एक 7 डेज का इम्यूनिटी बिल्डर प्रोग्राम है, वो 7 डेज करके बिल्कुल फ्री है, नो चार्जेस। यू कैन स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट ऑन योर ओन फ्रॉम योर होम, और कोई भी कर सकते हैं इसको।
Right. In fact, what Sarvesh has been talking about, the Sarva program, somebody who's also connected on that is Malaika Arora, forever diva, now a yoga enthusiast, also a COVID survivor. That's the biggest qualification you have on the panel today, Malaika. And we also have Vijinder Singh joining us over there, smiling bright, perhaps the only one who hasn't got it yet, and we hope it stays that way as well. Malaika, first to you.
Yeah.
You know, COVID has been such a huge equalizer. From Alia to Amir, really nobody has been spared at this point. You are somebody who got it, then got the jab as well. Now you're back working out as usual. Big takeaways, a couple of them for you, for our viewers to really take a cue from. Like we've been saying, a lot of young people still not understanding how serious the situation is.
Well, firstly, thank you so much for having me. Yes, it's a huge equalizer. There is no such thing as big or small or unch neech when it comes to COVID. COVID, unfortunately, anybody and everybody is susceptible to this virus. For me, yes, it's been a huge equalizer of sorts, purely because I feel it's just kind of taught me to be a little more resilient, to be a little more patient, to be a little more understanding. And more importantly, I think now with the second wave, I think people really need to understand. I mean, everybody thought after the first wave that, you know, we've hit home run and now we are on, you know, on a home stretch and everything is fine. It isn't. It's come back far and worse right now. I think
might
everybody
come back again.
And terrible right now. I mean, from what one reads and what one hears, it's scary. It's almost every day I hear something, it kind of brings me to tears. It literally kind of, you know, one feels that, you know, is there ever going to be a day where one can wake up and say, you know what, we're actually, you know, rid of all of this. But I think vaccination, I think people need to vaccinate themselves. I think it's the need of the hour. I think people need to be a little more aware of the situation. You have to be responsible citizens. I'm not preaching. These are just basic things that people need to understand. I really did think after the first time round, people would be a lot more understanding to fellow citizens and to the human race. But unfortunately, I can't say that is what is happening right now. So yes, we need to be responsible. We need to be aware of life around us. Need to be responsible humans, and you need to vaccinate as of yesterday.
जी, विजेंद्र सिंह भी हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं, बॉक्सर विजेंद्र सिंह। विजेंद्र, दिल्ली, एनसीआर, तमाम इलाकों में वीकेंड पे कम से कम हमने देखा कि तमाम तरह से बंद है, कर्फ्यू है, उसके अलावा भी कर्फ्यू है, हरियाणा में भी कर्फ्यू के आवर्स हैं। जो इस बार बार कहा जा रहा है कि जो युवा हैं उनको भी खतरा है, बल्कि उनको ज्यादा हो रहा है। वो काम के लिए भी निकलते हैं, वो बाहर भी निकलते हैं। कर्फ्यू लगने के पहले तक हमने देखा कि रोड पे, सड़कों पर भीड़ भाड़ भी बहुत थी, बल्कि क्या कहे, लोग कहते तो हैं पर रैलियां चल रही हैं, चुनाव हो रहे हैं, ये तमाम चीजें भी हैं, तो लोग वो भी देखते हैं कि जब भीड़ वहां पे है तो हमें क्यों रोका जा रहा है। आप क्या संदेश देना चाहेंगे युवाओं को?
युवाओं को आई थिंक जिनकी इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रॉन्ग, आई डोंट थिंक सो कि दे विल इफेक्ट बाय, बिकॉज आई डिड लाइक आई थिंक 5 या 6 बार मैंने कोरोना टेस्ट कराया, बट थैंक गॉड आई एम टोटली नेगेटिव। वी डिड लाइक बॉक्सिंग मैच इन गोवा, and of course there's a lot of people gathering, there's a lot of people there, but thing is that कि like you should take precaution. That's the only way आप बच सकते हैं इस चीज से
जी।
अगर आपको अपने आप को बचाना है तो जो प्रिकॉशन जो बताएगी, जो गाइडलाइन दी गई है, उसके हिसाब से अपने आप को तैयार करें। और जो अननेसेसरी जो लोग गेड़ी मारते हैं, जो दिल्ली में चलो वीकेंड है, जस्ट गो आउट एंड हैव फन, तो इस तरह की जो चीजें हैं वो नहीं करनी चाहिए, इस स्पेशली इस माहौल में। दैट्स द ओनली थिंग। अदरवाइज तो यू नेवर नो किसको कोरोना है किसको नहीं है, यू नेवर नो।
बिल्कुल, ये भी समझना जरूरी, जैसे आपने कहा कि अगर इम्यूनिटी अच्छी है, जैसे आपकी इम्यूनिटी अच्छी है बहुत, और आपने बार बार आप लोग खेलने भी गए, टेस्ट कराया, आप नेगेटिव रहे। बहुत सारे क्रिकेटर्स को भी हमने देखा कि खिलाड़ी हैं, बावजूद इसके उन्हें भी कोरोना हुआ। लेकिन ये भी बात है कि आपकी इम्यूनिटी अच्छी हो सकती है, बहुत लोग असिम्प्टोमेटिक होते हैं, वो बाकी लोगों से मिलते हैं, उनमें इन्फेक्शन फैलता है। इसलिए युवाओं को ये समझना कि किस तरह उन्हें दूसरों के प्रति भी जिम्मेदार रहना है, ये देखना जरूरी होगा।
That's true, of course. Yeah, that's totally agree with that. And I think हमारी जो स्पेशली जो यंग पीपल है उनके साथ ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि उनको पूरे परिवार को देखना होता है. जो बच्चे उनका भी ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. जो एल्डर पीपल है, जो बड़े माँ बाप है, उनका ध्यान भी रखना पड़ता है. तो आई थिंक मैं मानता हूँ जो स्पेशली युवा जो वर्ग है उसके ऊपर ज्यादा जिम्मेदारी होगी कि बाहर अवॉइड करें, बाहर जाना अननेसेसरी. दैट्स द ओनली थिंग.
जी मलाइका, एक सवाल आपसे, आप हमारे दर्शकों को ये बताएंगी कि इस पूरे दौरान जब आप कोरोना से जूझ रही थी, आपके लिए ये तजुर्बा कैसा रहा? कुछ लोगों का बहुत बुरा होता है, कुछ लोग चूंकि उनकी इम्यूनिटी अच्छी है उससे ठीक से निकल पाते हैं, जैसा हमें सर्वेश बता रहे थे अभी. और योग और आपका जो रूटीन है उसने किस तरह आपकी मदद की इस दौरान?
And if I can just add to that, actually, Malaika, just to add to that and take a cue from what Nagwa was mentioning earlier, you know, I saw your Instagram story and you had put out a picture of what was happening at the Kumbh Mela. Your words were shocking. The fact is, it's not just at Kumbh, it's still happening in election rallies, and celebrities like you raising the issue, the media sort of pressing on that point, hasn't really sort of, you know, got that messaging across. What do you think is really missing at this point? What will take for the young in the country, or perhaps generally citizens, to wake up and say, this is not on. We got to take responsibility for our own actions.
I think you just answered it yourself. We have to take responsibility for our own actions. Yes, it was, I saw that and it was just shocking for me. It was devastating because somebody like me who's fought COVID, who's battled COVID, who's recovered from COVID, I also know that I'm not immune to it. I can always get it again, even though I've taken the vaccine now. But that doesn't mean that the chances are that I cannot. Images like this really rile me up. Images like this really bother me because it's something that the entire nation is going through. And if people are not going to be responsible, if they are not going to take charge of their actions, the entire nation will suffer. I mean, it's not just me. Worldwide media has been exposed to all of these images, and I think it's pretty shocking worldwide. People have been aghast at what they are seeing, whether it's the Kumbh or the rallies. All I need to say is, at a time like this, is this really necessary? We can all, genuinely, we can all avoid situations like this. We need to stay at home. The youth so far have been, by the grace of God, have been very lucky, but not for very long, because now even the youth are being infected, and unfortunately to curb and keep the youth at home is very, very difficult. They need to go out, they need to be out there, they need to have a social life, which needs to be curbed. That is the need of the hour. So yes, all these images, all what's going on currently in the country is just shocking. It's you know, it's just deplorable. It's I don't know, I can't, for a lack of better words, it just makes my blood boil. And I really wish somewhere people would take a little more notice about these things and come together as a community, come together as a nation to fight this. I mean, I really did think India at one point really did such a commendable job at keeping numbers, COVID numbers under check. And unfortunately, that entire effort that was done has just gone down the drain.
Do you have a message then, Malaika, for the political class at this point?
Sorry?
Do you have a message then for the political class listening in?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Okay, let me try and fix that line, but let me bring in Sarvesh as well at this point. Sarvesh, you and Malaika both, we saw pictures of you doing aqua yoga and all of that. Certainly that can't happen anymore, right? There's no space for something like this. But for those watching right now, you actually are somebody who's been practicing for so long. Was it you who had said this earlier, that about for 40 days you put yourself in an isolation and you just meditated without speaking with someone? I mean, I'm sure that was hard, but give us some tips, some handy tips to people out there listening to you right now on what can be done. More and more people, we're asking them to stay at home. Unless absolutely necessary, do not step out. Try and curb urges. And staying at home is not easy. Emotional, mental well-being has pretty much become the center of it all. How does one work on that?
Well, I think to answer your question in an order, first, I think the country needs to have a little bit extra empathy and kindness towards others. I think that will potentially start making people realize that what they need to do for others. So empathy and kindness, if I may answer it in two words. That's number one. Number two is, yes, I was the one who was inside a room for 40 days, 9 hours a day. I was meditating, complete Maun Vrat, no phone, no music, no TV, no friends, absolutely nothing. And I did this when I was probably 18 or 19 years old. And I continue to do a lot of these sadhanas for the last 12 years. And the third one is, again, I think just very basic stuff is eat healthy, eat home cooked food. That's, I think, tip number one. Tip number two is, again, 3 pranayamas. 1 kriya, which is Kapalapati. Second is Anulom Vilom. Third is Bastrika. If people are not able to do this, I'm not trying to market anything here, but they can download the Sarva app and go to the 7-day immunity booster program that is on it, as it's free. I mean, if the country and the world doesn't realize that, hey, this is free and I have the ability to do it at home and still not wanting to do it, I mean, I can only say God help everybody, right? Because I think at the end of the day, you need to start taking care of yourself first. Only then others can take care of you. So it's, we have done everything we can. Malaika has done everything she can. We as a company, as individuals, as responsible citizens of the country are doing everything we can. We have now even said for a lot of people, the Sarva app is free for life. Still, if people are not able to do what they want to do, like I said, God save them.
जी मलाइका, यही सवाल आपसे और विजेंद्र आपसे भी एक एक करके कि आप ज्यादातर लोग जो आपको देख रहे हैं, सुन रहे हैं, हमारे तमाम दर्शक जानना चाहेंगे, कुछ टिप आप दें उन्हें। हमें जैसे सर्वेश ने बताया, सर्वेश शशि ने प्राणायाम के बारे में 3 तरह के, फिटनेस को लेकर, इम्यूनिटी को लेकर आजकल बहुत चर्चा हो रही है, पर मलाइका आप वो हैं जिन्होंने लगातार इस पर काम किया है, चाहे वो तमाम तरह के एक्सरसाइजेज हों, चाहे वो अब योग हो। तो आप खाना पीना, जैसा उन्होंने बताया कि हेल्दी होना चाहिए, घर का होना चाहिए, आप लोगों को कुछ बताना चाहेंगी, टिप देना चाहेंगी स्वस्थ रहने के लिए?
जी, आई थिंक जो सर्वेश ने कहा मैं काफी सहमत हूँ उससे। एंड आई थिंक हर एक का जो फिटनेस, जो एक वर्ड है, हर एक का फिटनेस लेवल अलग होता है, हर एक का फिटनेस रिक्वायरमेंट्स अलग होते हैं। बट मुझे योग पर बहुत विश्वास है, मैं रोज करती हूँ। जी हाँ, मैं भी ये प्राणायाम्स करती हूँ। एंड आई थिंक जी हाँ, घर का जो होम कुक सिंपल खाना अगर आप खाए घर पे, वो बहुत ही अच्छा रहेगा। घर पे रहो, मास्क पहनना प्लीज, आई थिंक वो बहुत ही जरूरी है। हाथ धो लेना, मतलब जितना आप कर सकते हो, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है। एंड बस आपका जो सराउंडिंग्स है, कीप दैट क्लीन, उस पर थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिए। हम आपके जो पैनल में आपके इस वक्त 3 जो हम बैठे यहाँ पे, आई थिंक हम तीनों के लिए फिटनेस और ये बहुत ही अहम है हम तीनों के लिए। फिर भी out of the 3 of us, 2 of us have succumbed to COVID, and so it's not something that can escape everybody. Even though all 3 of us, हमारे fitness levels काफी high है from an average person. So yes, you cannot escape COVID. You cannot. जितना आप जैसे विजेंद्र जी, जितना आप भाग सकते हो इससे, आप you can consider yourself very lucky. You can consider yourself blessed that you haven't been exposed to it. So I really wish you all that, good health always. But nobody can escape it. It is there. It looms large. So जितना अगर आप एक छोटी मोटी चीज अगर आप कर सकते हो, इस वक्त हमारे पास सर्वेश है, जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि हमारे ऐप पर एक फ्री सर्विस है, लाइफ लॉन्ग फ्री सर्विस। अगर आप वो फ्री सर्विस का इस्तेमाल नहीं करेंगे, I mean then it's really sad that you won't. But सर्वेश हमारे साथ बैठे, I'm sure he can take us through a couple of pranayams that we can do together and show the country things that
would be lovely. Sarvesh, why don't you do that? One pranayam as a good tip for
demo,
viewers.
Yeah, लोग सीखे कि कैसे, सब लोग देखेंगे कम से कम।
जी,
yeah, that would be nice.
We can all do it together.
Okay.
Sit straight, back straight, spine straight. Take your hands in Nasika Mudra like this. Close both your index and thumb. Middle finger. Place your right thumb on your right nostril. Inhale.
Nagma, don't be shy. Do it.
You can do it. It's fine.
This is the Anulom Vilom that you're doing.
That's right. This is called Anulom Vilom Pranayam. I'm going to explain. Inhale deeply through your left.
Yeah.
Close your left nostril and exhale through your right. Inhale through your right. Close your
You have
right.
to change it, okay.
Hold for a second and exhale through your left.
We-
Same hand. Hold it with your right hand.
सर्वेश ये भी
Inhale
जानना
through your
चाहेंगे कि ऐसा कितनी देर करें? अनुलोम विलोम 5 मिनट 7 मिनट?
This is called Anulom Vilom Pranayam. You can start off alternative nostril breathing. You can start off this by doing 6 rounds on each nostril and go up to 20 rounds on each nostril. मतलब right side से inhale करके left side से exhale करो, left side से inhale करके right side से exhale करो. ये होता है 1 round.
ओके
लाइक दिस 6 राउंड करना है स्टार्टिंग और 20 राउंड तक जा सकते हो. आई डिड दिस एवरी डे एंड 8th डे माय टेस्ट रिपोर्ट्स वर
विजेंद्र
नेगेटिव.
कुछ पूछ रहे हैं.
Yes, because Delhi pollution is too high, so I don't think so it will help. I don't know, like might be because there is so much pollution, and that's the only thing. If you
Ji.
like sweat out and train well, that's the only thing. But that's very good thing. Like if you do to yoga, Alom Vilom, that's very
Ji.
nice.
Yeah.
I did with that Baba Ramdev ji once, so
Okay.
I still remember
All
that.
right,
Yeah.
Vijender, Sarvesh, Malaika, thank you so much for your time. Very delighted to have you all on the panel today, talking solutions, really, and giving us a bit of a
Thank you.
demo there
you.
as well. It's really as simple
Take
as
care.
that.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
And like Malaika said, you can't prevent it. You can perhaps prepare for it, and that's what is a thought we leave you with.